Mastering Kitchen English. Boil until thickened, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nuances of the English language to make your learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we're exploring a common phrase you might encounter in cooking recipes or while watching cooking shows: boil until thickened. This phrase is a perfect example of practical language usage, blending cooking advice with English learning. So, grab your notepad, and let's get started. Boil until thickened is a phrase that combines two key actions: boiling and thickening. Boiling is the process of heating a liquid until it reaches a temperature where it begins to change to vapor. This is usually seen as bubbles breaking the surface of the liquid. Thickening, on the other hand, refers to the process of making a liquid denser, usually by reducing the amount of water through evaporation or by adding thickening agents. In cooking, this phrase instructs you to continue boiling a mixture or sauce until it reduces in volume and becomes denser in consistency. It's a crucial technique in making dishes with the perfect texture and flavor concentration. Understanding the instruction, boil until thickened, is crucial for achieving the desired consistency in various dishes. It can be the difference between a watery sauce and a rich, flavorful one that coats the food beautifully. This technique is often used in making sauces, soups, and stews, where the thickness of the liquid plays a significant role in the dish's overall texture and taste. Moreover, this process concentrates the flavors within the dish, making it more delicious. As the liquid evaporates, the flavors become more pronounced, enhancing the taste of your food. Keep an eye on the heat. Too high heat can cause the liquid to evaporate too quickly or even burn, while too low heat may never reach the boiling point necessary for thickening. Stir regularly. This prevents ingredients from sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensures even thickening. Patience is key. Thickening can take some time, especially for larger volumes. Allow the process to happen gradually for the best results. Use a thickening agent if needed. Sometimes, just boiling may not be enough to achieve the desired thickness. In such cases, consider adding a thickening agent like flour, cornstarch, or arrowroot powder. We hope this explainer has shed light on what boil until thickened means and why it's such an essential instruction in cooking. By mastering this phrase, you're not only expanding your English vocabulary but also enhancing your cooking skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every little bit of knowledge helps you along the way. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking! Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning.